Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to use this voice sample to show you the voiceover plugins. If you're a voiceover artist and you want to know how to mix your vocals, your voice to sound great for your client, this is the right tutorial for you. So I have actually a voice sample right here. So this is just a voice, a rough vocal sample, which is not actually like a voiceover, but is a vocal. So I'm going to show you how to add the necessary plugins to brighten up this vocal to get the result. So you can also add it to any vocals, whether music, whether voiceover, to get the actual result of a voice. Okay, so I'm going to link this channel to I'm going to link into I'll put it on channel 3 first. So when you get here, you just go to add your EQ first. But I think I have some noise on this particular audio. So if you have noise in yours, it's just a matter of you go to remove the noise background. So I'm going to check out for my denoiser. To remove the noise, I'm just going to go to my plugin section. Okay, the hinser. So I have the delay, the noise. So first you make sure that you have a clean recording. Noise gate. So I have a denoiser here for mono track. Okay, so I have the wave denoiser here, right here. So I'm going to reduce the noise.
What's up? What's up? Hey!
So as you can see, the noise has drastically reduced. So it could be that you record your vocal in a noisy environment. So of course, there's also noise in this. So that's the first thing you're going to do, is to remove the noise. Then after you remove the noise, you're going to add EQ. And in this EQ right now, I'm going to remove the rumbles. You're going to remove the low frequency. You make sure you don't do it too much.
What's up?
So with this, after that, you're going to add some brightness to the vocal. Because of your S and T and pronunciations, okay?
What's up? What's up? Hey!
So I have right there the brightness of the vocal, so you can as well do same to yours. And next, I'm going to add a compression. So I'm going to use the visible compression. I'm just going to bring it a compression, give it some ratio. So I have some dynamic here. Just do a little light compression. So you do some light compression right here. So you also try to make sure it's a little bit more natural. So the way you use your plugins, you're going to use them a bit by bit. So I'm going to come back to the compression. This time I'm going to add a little saturation.
What's up?
So right here, I have already a threshold. So I think I'm going to give it a little bit EQ to increase the brightness of the vocal. So you can see the vocal is very bright. So you can do the same thing to your vocal to have brightness. Then after which you're going to give it the final gain output after you've done your compression and the rest. So right here I'm going to give it the uh-huh.
What's up? What's up?
So you can see how very bright. You can see how very bright it is, and this is exactly just follow exactly this vocal chain. So if your vocal is very clean and you don't have any problem with your vocal, you don't use the denoiser, okay? But the first thing is you cut out your low frequency, try to bring the high off you. Then the next thing is to add your compression. Then after you do your compression to manage the dynamic, then I use a saturation here to help add a little gain to give it some strength. And I came back, I added more of the boost, the high end to give it the vocal brightness. Then finally I just give it a gain to bring out the overall of the loudness to make your voice thick and strong. So do it to follow this tutorial step by step so you can achieve the same results. So if you're a voiceover artist, this is exactly the same procedure you're going to pass through, and make sure you follow the tutorial step by step so that you can master the different steps that I just followed and the different tools so that you can achieve the same results. So I hope this tutorial is helpful. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so whenever I upload new videos, you can be able to get a notification. All right, guys, see you in the next video. I hope quickly you get the retract. So basically, almost rightly like 0 dB already have right here. Okay, right now don't forget the recap. You just have the cleanup, the noise gate for noise, to remove noise. If you have noise in your vocal, the EQ to remove rumbles like excessive bass frequency and to give it the brightness. Then finally you now have a balanced frequency of both non-rumble and a high frequency, and you now have the result of that is they give it a compression and to manage the dynamic so you can have a little bit loudness.
What's up? What's up? Hey!
Then after which I actually come back here and add a little bit saturation to give it a little bit more harmony and help to manage some of the dynamic out.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey! What's up? What's up? Hey! Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What's up? What's up? Hey. Uh-huh. 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 Uh-huh.
So guys, this is pretty the result that you got. So just make sure you follow up step by step. So take care and watch the next video.
Uh-huh.